Okay, so next video is a very important exercise to understand the range of movement when you dance. So what is the range of movement? So for example, if I close my leg, my left leg straight, right leg bent, we have a high hip position we call muscle. We have neutral position, zero position, and we have a settling position, bone. And we're always going from muscle to neutral to bone. So I strongly recommend for you to always feel this three position. So high hip position, so use this back muscle to lift your hips. So now we hold our weight on muscles. Then you release this muscle, you go to neutral position, zero position, and now you release your weight down. This is a bone. So now feeling like we're pressing down, you can bounce like this to feel how your weight through your shoulder, through the hip, into the heel, going down, and this leg feels super straight. Now we're gonna make it a little bit more advanced. As we're gonna go up, we will introduce a little bit figure eight type of motion. So hip gonna go forward, side, back, and as we're going down, hip gonna go forward, side, back, but only on the down part. 1, 2, it counts. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Notice we're going through all these three levels. This is like basement level, lobby. This is the first floor. So you see, we're going through all these levels. So we have this breathing movement. Now, do exactly the same on other leg. Change leg here. We're going up on the muscles, neutral, bone. Muscle, neutral, bone. Let's add a little bit hip action figure eight type of motion. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And remember to activate the side muscles, upper body muscularity muscles. This all will create much more beautiful, more flexible movement. And notice, you see, I'm not even taking any step, but create so much movement. And not even changing weight. 8 counts. Now, we do exactly the same into every variation of step. So let's say this is in the side step, the same idea. We have a muscular position, muscles, neutral, bone. Now we add a little bit figure eight to it, hip action. 8 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Notice here I'm in very high muscular position, squeezing my side, lifting that hip. Now I add a little bit hip rotation, hip going forward, side, back. From here I release my weight, and hopefully my hip will go diagonally forward, pressing my way down through a release, knee super straight, then hip going side, back. And then we just connect them together and do it 8 counts again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The same on the other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The same happens when we're going forward. So this is our muscular position, muscles. So high hip, then we release neutral, and this is a bone when we're settling. Now we add a little bit figure eight type of motion, hip going forward, side, back, and as we release here, forward, side, back. You go 8 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and feel. Take a look how my back is working. 6, 7, 8. Try to keep straight legs all the time you do this exercise. Again here, muscle position, muscular, high hip, high chest, neutral, bone. Adding figure eight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And last but not the least is when we're going backward. In this position, the same here. Muscle, neutral, bone. Now on muscle here, I try to take my hip forward, side, back. And on bone position, try to take my hip diagonally forward, side, back. 1, 2, straight legs. 3, 4, use your back muscle. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and add other leg, exactly the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So practice your muscle neutral bone position.